How to cancel French B flights. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can cancel flights on French B. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, just want to say that there is a link in the description below. Make sure you check that link out. You'll find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply when you are booking your flight. Make sure you check that out. Next, all you got to do is just go ahead and book a flight, and once you've booked a flight, you can see right here underneath manage my booking. Here you'll see all of your flights right here, and here you can go ahead and cancel them, check them out. You can see right here retrieve reservation number. Just enter in your reservation number and then retrieve your reservations over here. Once you've added that, you should be good to go. Then you can find them over here. Now if you're wondering how can I find the resignation numbers or other examples, well, as I said before, for that you need to come over here and actually book a flight. Once you've booked it, you should be good to go. You'll find it right here. You can add your reservation number, your family number, and then click on the retrieve my reservation section over here, and then all of the flights that you have booked are going to appear over here, and then you can go ahead and cancel them anytime. So it's just that simple. So make sure you check the link in the description below for French B bookings and book your flight with the link in the description below. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.